crypto related video. I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can buy Tether, or in another word USDT, on Bitmart. But before that, let me make you guys familiar with Bitmart. Bitmart is a place where you guys can buy and sell crypto. It's a crypto exchange, alright? And if you guys do not know, Tether, it's also known as stablecoin, and it's short from is USDT. So basically its value is equivalent to US dollar, which means like when you're buying Tether, you're usually buying US dollars, alright? Because one Tether equals to one US dollar, which means it's a stable coin. Why is it called stablecoin? Because it's stable. Like Bitcoin, its price doesn't go from 60,000 to 100,000 or like 30,000 in a year or in a day, alright? Basically, Tether's $1 is going to be $1 because its value is equivalent to US dollar and it's backed up with US dollars, alright? So that's basically what it means. So let me show you guys how you guys can buy that in Bitmart. First step is you want to go to bitmart.com. After you go to bitmart.com, you want to log in into your account. After you do that, you just go on buy and sell. Once you go on buy and sell, on like over here on top, you want to choose what you want to buy. It's Tether. It's also called USDT over here. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, you want to enter the amount of USDT you want to buy, or in another word, Tether. Now remember, it has to be more than $30, alright? So let's say I want to buy $40 worth of, USDT, which means Tether. I click on buy over here. After that, it's going to show me what payment method I want to use. It's saying MoonPay, which means once I click on buy, I just want to click on continue. It means I'm, allowing its terms and service, or in other words, agreeing to its terms and service. When I do that, it's going to take me to MoonPay, and I need to enter my information of MoonPay. And once I go to MoonPay, basically it's going to ask me for my payment method confirmation. After I do that, basically I can buy Tether. So that's basically how you guys can buy Tether on Bitmart. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.